Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you guys who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So guys, today I am here fast, quick, and in a hurry because there is a challenge going on that I really don't want you guys to miss. Now, the challenge actually started on the 14th, but it's still not too late because tomorrow is the day that you would submit your first photo if you would like to participate in the challenge. Okay, so the challenge was actually started by Lisa over at Ladybird Loves and Ingrid by Ingrid's Inspirations, and it's called a Beady challenge. So what they are asking for us to do is create a wearable that is using crochet and beads together. I think that is just so awesome. And I am looking forward to being really creative with my yarn and my beads. So you're going to have to go over and check out their channel, and I will put the link in the description box below so that it will be easy for you guys to get. However, I'm going to show you what I'm going to start with for mine. Okay, so you guys know I really do like Darn Good Yarn, and I have a subscription to it. Unfortunately, because of my travel, I haven't been able to do all of the boxes. And so they are sitting there patiently waiting for me to do something with them. So this is a way for me to do multiple things at the same time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the yarn that I'm going to use out of the box, and then we'll go ahead and I will use it for this particular thing. Okay, so this happens to be Darn Good Yarn box number 3. Okay, so you guys have not seen it yet. And in it is this very beautiful lace weight yarn. And I love the colors in it. It has sparkle also. And I just think it looks awesome. So now the specs on this are, it is a lace weight silk yarn. The name of it is Sparkle Sandy Beach. It is 300 yards or 50 grams. It's super fine, category 1. And the recommended knitting needles are a 2 to 3 millimeter, which is a 1 to 3 US, or crochet is a 2.25 or 3.5 millimeter, which is a B. Okay, so yeah, just beautiful, beautiful colors in that. And I think it's going to work up to be so, so pretty. All right, so I'm going to use this yarn to make my project. It is possible that I'm going to need another, so I think I'm going to go ahead and order another one, and I think I can get it pretty quick. And the beads that I'm going to use are here. Okay, so these are my beads, but I think I'm going to use just the ones on top, these beautiful white beads here. These are glass beads, and I use them for quite a few different projects, but I do think they will work well with this particular one. So these are my beads, and I have my yarn, and yeah, so that's how I'm going to get started with mine. It will likely be a beautiful shawl, or maybe like a little shawlette that can go over you or something like that. And I think that that will qualify for this particular project. So what I'm going to have to do is show you guys my progress as I am sending it over. And yeah, tomorrow is the day that we're going to have to get this information to them. So please go over, check out the video, gather your things, whether it be your yarn or your beads, your hooks. Many of us have these things already. I'm using a lace weight, but you don't have to use that. You can use whatever you like. I'm using glass beads, but by all means, guys, you could even use pony beads for this. That would work. Okay? So I hope that helps, guys. I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. And I look forward to seeing you guys real, real soon. Please take care, guys. Bye bye.